Hello and welcome to another GoodX Web training session. In this video we will be showing you how to create chronic or acute scripts. Before we start, take note that you can access the clinical case screen in different ways in order to complete your script. For this video we will access the script via the patient's booking. Start by clicking on the clinical button's event on the booking, shown as script on the screen. Or click on the patient's booking and then on the clinical button in the diary side panel. Take note that this clinical button's event can differ from your site. Your button can either be script, general examination, or whichever event you preferred. This can be changed in your user entity settings. Use the import lines from chronic diagnosis dropdown to script chronic items that you've created in the patient's medical history. Let's quickly show you how to add a chronic diagnosis in a patient's medical history if you don't have anything to import yet. In the same screen, click on the Medical History tab. Click on the Chronic panel to expand it. Search for the chronic diagnosis in the Search for a chronic diagnosis field. To add script items to this chronic diagnosis, click on the Add Script Item button. Add the script item under the Medicine field. Once you're done, click on the Complete button and then the Save button underneath. Click on the Clinical Case tab to navigate back to the script screen. Now you can click on the Import Lines from Chronic Diagnosis dropdown to select the recently added chronic script. Once you've selected your chronic script to import, the chronic script items will automatically pull through. Let's add an acute script item. You will see that the chronic script item will be indicated by a blue C on the left-hand side, versus an acute script item that will be indicated by a red A. You can click either on the A or the C to mark a script item as either an acute or chronic item. When a number greater or equal to 5 is entered in the repeat field, then the script item becomes a chronic item. Once you're done, click on the Save and Close button.